My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobile One.
Hey Chris, I got a 71 Chevy El Camino with glass headlights. I was just wondering if there's any tips you might have on making them shine a little bit brighter and look a little bit nicer.
Well, Bill, since your El Camino has glass headlights, unfortunately you won't be able to repair them. But if your vehicle has plastic headlights, then in most cases they can be repaired. But it just depends on how long that damage has been around. If they've been bad for years, then you might need to replace them with new ones from your vehicle's manufacturer or aftermarket ones, which can be a heck of a lot cheaper. But first, you should always try to repair them to see if you can bring them back to life. Now let's take a closer look at all the things you need to restore your headlights. Now the first thing that you need is a headlight restoration kit, which you can pick up at your local auto parts store like this one, a variable speed drill, some masking tape, gloves, safety glasses, and some water. Those glasses help protect your eyes from abrasive cleaners and chemicals. You'll also be working in some tight spaces, so the gloves will save a little skin on those knuckles. Now you can pick up one of these kits for under 25 bucks. There's several available from different companies. Now this one comes with a power ball for your drill, restoration pads, polish, and a microfiber towel. Now if your headlights aren't badly oxidized, you could probably just get away with using the power ball and the provided polish. If, however, the damage has been around for many years without any attempt at saving them, then you might want to take the extra time and use the restoration pads. The restoration pads have varying grits, and each side has a different grit of sandpaper. Now the pads need to be soaked in water first, so while these are taking a bath, let's mask off our headlight with some masking tape so we don't damage our paint. Now before we get started with the restoration pads, we want to make sure the headlight is as clean as possible by using the power ball first. This will make those pads work even better. So we want to apply a nickel-sized drop of polish to the power ball and get started. So put on your safety glasses and vary your pressure from light to moderate, keeping your drill speed between 1500 and 2000 RPM. You want to go slowly and overlap each pass slightly for best results. The included restoration pads vary between 800 grit on the number 1 side all the way to 2000 on the number 4 side. Now you want to start with side 1 going left and right until it's uniformly white. Then use side 2 up and down, spending a little bit more time than you did with side 1. Then repeat that same process with sides 3 and 4. Keep a spray bottle of water handy, as you'll need to keep the headlight well lubricated while using the pads. To avoid creating deep scratches in your lens, use even and light pressure and keep the pad flat. I'm starting with the 800 grit side 1 going from left to right. Now switch it up to side 2, which is 1000 grit. Spend a little bit more time with this side going up and down this time. Next use side 3, which is a 1500 grit, and go back to a left and right motion, spending even more time than with side 2. Finally, switch to side 4, which is 2000 grit, and go back to the up and down motion. This is the finest grit of sandpaper, so spend even more time using this side for best results. Now that you're done with the restoration pads, clean the entire headlight with a microfiber towel. You'll probably notice at this point that the headlight is still a little hazy from the restoration pads. It feels a lot smoother, but it's just not clear yet. We'll fix that with the power ball. Apply another nickel-sized drop of polish, and like last time, slowly go over the entire headlight. Wipe it clean with your microfiber towel, remove your masking tape, and repeat the process on the other side. Now check that out, the difference is night and day. It should take you between 30 and 60 minutes per headlight. That's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a new set of headlights, and the kit can be reused several times in case your other vehicles need some help too. Now it's really easy to restore your own headlights. Just be sure to take your time and follow the instructions. Thanks again for your question, Bill, and good luck with that El Camino. Remember to check back here for more episodes. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.